In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play two-player split screen here in multiplayer on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on a PS5 or Xbox. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this works the exact same on both consoles, but first what you're going to want to do is make sure that you're in Black Ops 7 and logged into your main account. That account is going to be player 1. On the right hand side of your screen, you're going to see an option pop up that says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. I personally like to use controllers for this, but you can use a keyboard and mouse if you would like. Essentially, go ahead and connect that controller and sign into a second profile on that account. For example, on PS5, your main account might be logged into your main account. Simply turn on that new controller and log in with a new PlayStation Plus account or PlayStation account in order to pull up a screen that's going to say player 2, press X to join split screen. Go ahead and press that on your second controller, and after that the second profile is going to load in and you'll see both players not only on the lobby screen running around like Tank Dempsey right here, but you'll also see them pop up in this little party section as well. From here, you could just go to this find a match section, choose any mode you want and start playing. Team deathmatch is what a lot of people go to. But when it does load in, you'll see that it loads perfectly in split screen. Player 1 is going to be in the top half and player 2 is going to be in the bottom half, and everything's going to work just like normal multiplayer. You can level up, customize loadouts, and play any mode that supports split screen. That's really all there is to it. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.